Hello, welcome. Thank you for joining me here at the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. We are going to do your weekly root chakra reading to get this in tune. And then at the end, I'm going to do a yes or no pick a card reading. So please tune in for that if you're interested as well. So let's take a look here at your energies coming through. In your actual root chakra, I see you in a community that feels maybe like it's come to pass, like you've been in it for a while, or you're working around people that seem really well seasoned in what they're doing, very professional. Or you may be going back to some very archaic knowledge. This strongly speaks of history, and history in the context of society and amongst philosophers, thinkers, people that are forming government, and how government relates to not only the structures of families, yet the bureaucratic function as well. Perhaps something that you're doing in this realm, maybe there's a job that's somehow connected here for you. This seems to be a little bit about progress too, like slow and steady progress. You could also have an interest in astronomy or astrology, something in the sciences here that really is impacting humanity in a way, and that relationship between the human and the science. For some reason, I'm getting that very strongly, and there may be something in all of this that is not quite acknowledging something that actually needs your help. You know, the individuals in society that have that lack, and maybe in whatever you're doing, if you're participating in something like this, maybe take this opportunity to look at what you're involved with, and if there is a humanitarian aspect of it, or if this is about a vision that isn't all inclusive. So that's what I'm getting there. These two cards, I decided to take a couple this week from the Mother Mary Oracle, and they're speaking on behalf of the Earth Heart Chakra, which I bring in to elevate the energy of the root chakra. So let me just have a moment here to see what comes through. Yeah, I mean, I'm definitely getting this sense of bureaucracy, of the nobility of understanding scientific truth, placing the importance there, and really building for the fame and the glory, and that idealistic way, you know, of theory being what's leading society or humanity. And in a way, I don't feel that there is an enlightenment through this behavior. There seems to be a little bit of despondence, you know, like you're not quite connected. You don't feel enlivened. You may have all of your needs met, though there is this awareness that maybe others around you are lacking, and you may be becoming more aware of your part in the whole and your power here, and what real power is. You know, it doesn't need to be the representation of you as a beautiful object, you with material goods, you having more than others. And as I shift into this this card, I see this new way of building, of going back into something that feels far more natural to evolution, you know, the spiral of evolution, and building through love, building through nurturing, and going within to understand that and really feel, you know, what's right, instead of observing and thinking with other, you know, having group think about what needs to happen. And this may also be due to some planetary influences. You know, there may be energies out there that are really talking about restructuring society from the foundational level, and your ability to not just your ability, but that you are part of that, you know, that you have a voice in that, and that you need to be a participant in that process as well. So I am going to, I thought I was going to, I guess I can't pause on this, so just give me a moment. I'm going to shift over to the yes or no aspect here. And, you know, while I'm doing this, go ahead and think of your question that you would like to ask. And you can actually do up to 3. So if you don't want to just do a pick option, you could have up to 3 questions that just get answered in a row. I'll do a little shuffle here for us. Normally I'm a bit of a kooky shuffler, so I don't tend to do it on screen because I can deviate from the norm quite a bit. I just get different directions when I'm dealing with the cards as to how to go about picking them. So what I'm going to do is have the even numbers on the cards. If they should show up, those will be a no, and an odd number will be a yes. I'll also give you the general theme of the card, so that could offer a little extra confirmation. Okay, so we will start here with card number 1. So you can pick 1, 2, or 3, or you can have 1, 2, 3 questions. So if you picked number 1, you are getting a yes. And for extra confirmation, this theme is yin and yang. So it could be about the balance between male and female energies. If you chose number 2, you are also getting a yes, and this might be about conversion, so changing over to something. And if you picked number 3, wow, also a yes, and this is about meaningful dreams. So if there's been something going on in that realm, that's just a little extra confirmation. Okay, so I appreciate you guys being here with me today. Please join me again tomorrow. We will deal with your sacral chakra, and I'll also offer another little pick a card at the end. Thanks so much, and take care.